How to pay with coins on AliExpress. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can pay with coins on AliExpress, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to spend all of your coins to buy something, first of all you open the AliExpress app. Right here you'll be able to see the coins tab. So when you basically tap the coins option here, you should be able to see the amount of coins that you have. So 1 coin equals to 1 cent, so the 78 coins equals to 0.78 cents or $0.78. Now once you have done that, you can see not all of the products that you see on AliExpress are ready to exchange with coins. What you can do is you can simply scroll down here and then you'll be able to see all these products. These products are eligible to be spent coin on, so you can select a certain product that you'd like here and then simply tap on the buy now option, and then you can buy the product using the coins. And this way you can use coins or pay with coins on AliExpress. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.